everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my Walgreens haul. Everything went out perfectly. Everything turned out good. I did have a problem at the registers, and I will get to it when I get to that point. But other than that, I did really good, and I'm going to say if I don't go into labor, because I said to myself I wanted to do this couponing trip, and then she can come after I post my videos because it's a great week for couponing. She can come. But if she doesn't come early, I am going to do a second haul, possibly on Wednesday or Tuesday or Wednesday, just depending on what works out better. But I'm here to share with you guys my Walgreens haul. So the first deal that you guys want to do is the Irish Springs body wash. These are $3.99. You guys want to use two $1 off coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $5.98 for these, but then you guys will get 5,000 points back, making it just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. You guys can pay with points and get points on this deal, so definitely do it. I usually say Irish Springs for 50 cents is a great price. I mean, sometimes for this stuff, I wouldn't say $1 is a good price for this, but I think under 50 cents for this stuff is a pretty good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now, some of you guys may or may not get the dollar off coupons for soft soap. Most of us get 75 cents, which I will take. These are again $3.99. You guys want to use two 75-cent off coupons from today's paper. You guys would pay $6.48 for both of these, but then you guys will get 5,000 points, making it $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece, which again is a pretty okay deal. Again, you guys can pay with points and get points. Now the new point system just started today, so you guys can redeem up to $50 if you want. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, and 50 redemptions. So definitely do that if you guys want to do that, and you guys can do that as many times as you want. The coupon limits 4, so you can do 4 soft soap and 4 Irish Springs if you guys want to do it that way. So I got that deal for you guys. The next deal I did is the Colgate toothpaste deal. Now there is a $4 off a 2 digital coupon if you guys have that. Or there is a $4 off a 2 printable coupon that was on coupons.com a couple weeks ago. I have those still, so I plan on using them. That's why I want to go back, because this is an awesome deal. But the Colgate toothpaste is $3.99. You guys use that $4 off coupon, or $4 off a 2 coupon if you still have it, or the digital coupon. You guys would pay $3.98 for both of these, but then you get 4,000 points, making them free. Now this is a deal, again, you guys can pay with points and get points. So what I did is I had 2 paper coupons, so I ended up doing the deal twice with the paper coupons. And then I had a digital, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to use the digital coupon. And so the digital coupon is this one. So had to share with you guys with that deal. Something's all sticky. Oh, it's the label. Okay. The next deal I did was the Crest Oral-B deal. Now, ooh, this is pretty. It's got sparkles in it. So I ended up getting the Crest toothpaste. Now, this is an okay deal. I should have gotten more toothbrushes, and there's also a Ibotta deal, but I think it ends soon, but I wasn't thinking straight. But I ended up getting 2 Crest and 1 Oral-B toothbrush. These were $2.99. You guys want to use 3 $1 off coupons. Now the mouthwash is not included. It's just the toothpaste and the toothbrushes. Mouthwash not included in this deal. But you guys would pay $5.97 for all 3 of these. But then you get a $5 register reward, making it just 97 cents or 32 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. I usually say you should never pay more than a quarter for toothpaste, but, you know, 32 cents, go for it. My register reward did not print off. Don't know why. It's been printing off for the last 2 weeks, and all of a sudden it didn't. I think there's something going on. I got to figure out what it is, but I'm going to try to get it figured out and find out why the register reward didn't print off. So she ended up giving me 5,000 points for that deal. So we got that. I'm probably going to, if that Ibotta deal is still good, on Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm going to do it with the Oral-B and see what happens. So we got that. Now, if you guys really love Pantene, this is a great week to stock up on Pantene. Now, they have a deal where if you buy 3, you get points. So what you guys want to do, and you guys can do this deal in 3s or 6s. The coupon does have a limited 2 per transaction. You could also use the digital one if you guys can do that too. But these are $3.99. You guys want to use a 5 off of 3 off the May P&G. You guys use that 5 off of 3. So you guys would pay $6.97. You get 5,000 points, making the final price $1.97 or just 66 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal for Pantene. Again, this is another deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So if you guys really want to rack them, plus the stuff goes towards beauty. The only thing is when you do pay with points and you pay with use beauty points, you don't always get 100% beauty. You get what you pay out of pocket. So you guys would technically get $1.97 worth of beauty points, if I'm not trying to confuse you. That used to be change. They had it changed before, but now it's what you pay actually out of pocket is what counts towards beauty. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But 66 cents. So I did that deal. I did 2 coupons because I had mates for every single one. So wanted to share with you guys on that in case you love Pantene. My mom loves this stuff. So when she comes over, when the baby's over, she'll probably take a bunch of that stuff because she just loves it. Candy bars. They are 2 for $1. I love this deal. I think 50 cents for a decent candy bar is good because that's what they cost when I was a kid, was 50 cents. So husband already helped himself to 1 candy bar. I had to do a different transaction because I had to buy some other stuff, but he ended up helping himself. So, but these are great for me, and I'm gonna probably get some more because I love 2 for $1 candy bars. I was gonna do the Garnier Fructis, and then I realized that my coupon that I had was expired, and I think we're getting new ones in today's paper, but I don't get those coupons, so I'm waiting for my coupons to come in the mail. So when I get those, I'll definitely share with you guys on that deal. And then the next deal I got is the Arm & Hammer. Now in the ad it showed $1 off digital coupon, and there's actually a couple different digital coupons that you guys can add, but these are $1.99. You guys can either use that $1 digital coupon, or there was coupons at printedoffcoupons.com. Now that coupon is a one-time print, so depending on how many accounts you guys have, I have 2 coupons.com accounts. I was able to print that coupon off both ones, but yeah, you can only print it off once. But again, you guys would get these for 99 cents. So there is 1 coupon for $1 off for the pods. There is a $1 off coupon for the sensitive skin, and then there's a regular OxyClean $1 off coupon. So 99 cents for each of those is a pretty decent deal, especially laundry detergent. And this bottle's a lot bigger than the other one. I mean, I don't know if it's just, I don't know, you just get a lot more for that. So yes, that was my haul. I was thinking the Almay and the Revlon were still good, and I'm like, oh yes, I can use those coupons, and then they expired yesterday, and I'm like, nuts, but not a big deal. You know, I got plenty of stuff. I got my money's worth out of those inserts, so that was fine with me. But my total came to $36.27 for all that stuff, which I think, I don't know if that's it's, if you think about it, it's a pretty okay deal. I mean, I got, what, 8 tubes of toothpaste, body wash, shampoo, and laundry detergent. I mean, 36 bucks for an average person could be okay, but, you know, I never pay that much out of pocket. You guys should know this, but I did pay with points. But I ended up receiving $41 back in points. I'm like, what? Cashier's like, how the heck do you do that? And they do know what I do. They just have no idea really how to coupon. I mean, it takes a lot of work to know what you're doing. But I got $41 worth of points. I ended up getting $5,000 for the Irish Spring, $5,000 for the soft soap. I got $4,000 times 3 for the Colgate toothpaste, and then I got $5,000 times 2 for the Pantene. So there was that, and then I also reached beauty. So that was 5,000 points, and then I think there's that 10 times everyday points thing that's going on. So I think I got about 3,000 points for that, so that comes out to be $41. And then I was supposed to get the $5 register reward, but she gave me 5,000 points for that. So my total came to a $9.73 moneymaker. I got everything for free, plus I made a profit. I love it. This is a great week to boost points if you guys can do it. A lot of you guys are always asking for points. Boost your points, get those added up. A lot of you guys are now can start saving them again for Christmas. Just don't go crazy. I mean, I've seen people who have like over $1,000 worth of points, and I'm like, why do you need that much? Like, I try to at least keep 100 to 150 in my account, because if there's ever an emergency where I cannot go couponing and I really need stuff, I have those points for backup. So that's what I have. The odds of that happening is very rare, but you never know. You never know when you need stuff. So that's why I keep that stuff just like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Walgreens haul. Let me know if I missed any deals, but again, I will be going back again this week for a second haul. A lot of you guys really love that. So just want to share with you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.